guys, I just got a little delivery from Vegan Town that I wasn't even expecting. No surprise. They sent me stuff before, but oh, their tan is so nice. I really like it. I think I've tried the darkness before. I'm not 100% on the colour. I'm pretty sure it was dark. So nice. I really like it. And then their face tan mist. I don't know if I've tried this or not. I can't remember, but I'm sure it's amazing. I remember getting this cute little headband before as well. It's really nice. I really like that. I might give this one to my mom because I already have one. And then their mist. Lovely mist. Can't go wrong. Thank you so much, Vegan Tan. I also got a little Bellamiante one as well. Bellamiante are very good to me. So it has this little brush. It has this setting spray in it. Well, it's not setting spray. I think you can spray it on your body. It's like glow, like body spray kind of. But apparently it's really good to set your makeup. It makes it really glowy. And then this champagne highlighting powder, illuminating powder they call it, and illuminating body liquid. It's a more one. I'm usually would open this and show you, but I'm gonna do like a gift guide, so I'll probably have this and stuff in it, so I won't bore you with it. I'll show you in more detail in that one. I'm laughing. I just got a Christmas jumper from Shein. It just arrived. Do you like it, puppy? Does that mean you like it? That means he loves it. You love it. It's a little bit long. It's like a dress. It's the length of his whole body, but it's so cute. Oh, you're just so cute. He wants to sit on my lap while I'm sitting on the floor. But look at you, Bobby. We show them the underneath. Look, it has little arms in it. Look. They're a little bit tight on that part, but no, it's fine. It's perfect. It's a perfect fit, Bobby. It's a perfect fit. He won't let me show you. He just keeps trying to sit in my lap. Look at him. Oh, you're so cute, Bobby. You're so cute. Show us. Oh, you're gorgeous. You're gorgeous. Oh, you're stunning. Oh, you look lovely. Oh, you look lovely. Is that gonna keep you warm? Warm for the winter? Yeah? Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. He just keeps following me, so I can't get a video. Sit. Oh, you look gorgeous. You look so cute, Bobby. I can't even stand it. So cute. I can't cope with you. You're so cute. Look at your little paws. They're tiny. I actually have the Christmas lights on all day because they make me so happy. Just like to have them on. Do you like them, Bobby? Do you like the tree? We were not too sure if he'd be trying to climb it or whatever, but he's literally paid it no attention whatsoever. Haven't you not? You're the best boy. So thank God, so far so good. And now I'm going to treat myself to a coffee and get to editing because I really want to get up a video today. I've got so many good videos coming, guys. So many nice personal ones. I just love them. It's definitely my favourite time of the year for YouTube. I love all the just chilled out vids, cozy vids. I'm also trying one of these Nature Valley protein peanut and chocolate bars. It's really nice. Ignore the kettle boiling in the background. I hope you can hear me, but I got the cutest design ever. I'll put the Instagram page here. Mhurchu Designs. Not very good at Irish. It's definitely not my strong point. But yeah, so it came in this gorgeous little cute package, and then this is what is inside. And then this is what is inside. How cute is everything? So first of all, there's this gorgeous print. She has lots of different prints on her Etsy. I'll link her Etsy below, and also her Instagram page. So yeah, and then I got this lovely little note. Hi Emma, I hope you enjoy this little Christmas bundle. I've also included a print too for your new home. I have a discount code for your followers, which is Emma10, so you can use that. It will get you 10% off cards and prints on Etsy. And then all of the plastic stuff is also recyclable, so just says make sure to remove the stickers before putting the plastic sleeves in the compost. And then these are the Christmassy bits. So these are so cute. These are like little labels for putting on presents. I love the like string that comes with it, or whatever you want to call it, rope. I don't know, it's a bit thicker than string, is it? And then these are the cards. These are amazing. Like, these are all her own designs, so they're incredible and they're so nice, really nice quality. Like, they're gorgeous. This one is I'm Dreaming of a White Christmas. They all come in a little envelope in a packet. This one is the Grinch. Then the Grinch thought of something he hadn't before. What if Christmas he thought doesn't come from a store? What if Christmas perhaps means a little bit more? How cute. And the little picture is so gorgeous, so good. Like, unbelievable. Prosecco ho ho. That would be such a cute one for one of the girls. I love. Hope you have a chill Christmas. That one's so cute. I'm obsessed with little gingerbread men this year. I don't know why. I just find them so cute and they seem to be everywhere. This one, Let Christmas Be Gin. It's the same as the little tags. Very cute. And then this is... I can't do it. Just speaking Irish. I'm so bad. No, like Shona Witch. I'm not too sure. Bobby, you don't know either. So stop pretending you do. You don't. You don't. And then this last one's also in Irish, so there you go. But it's really cute. And then I think this is a little sticker. Just rolling with it. And then, yeah, I think that's everything. That's the gorgeous packaging it came in. Obsessed. Thank you so much. Also forgot to show you guys the other evening I came home to these, and I don't know where to put them because I don't have like a pot to put it in. It's just a little like Christmassy plant. So cute. I have watered it, but I haven't decided what the hell to do with it now, unless I like cut this shorter to come was saying and just use that wrapped around it, take the plastic off. I need to do something with it because Con's gonna just think I'm ungrateful now if I just leave it sitting there the way that he gave me it. Hey, you're obsessed with me now since I'm on my camera, and he's been ignoring me all morning. He's been too busy. He's been snoozing in his bed all morning like a newborn child. Yes, you have. We're gonna go out soon anyway, don't worry. We are. Do you need to do a wee by any chance? Because you actually haven't been out in hours, so maybe I should let you out. Oh, he's time to go. Go on. He also got me these little Christmas lights. He knows the way to my heart is Christmas stuff. But yeah, I looked these up on Amazon earlier because I wanted to see what people had done with them. So their solar powered, which is so handy. So I haven't done this yet, but I kind of wanted to put them up on the front of the house, I think. Like where the porches come, like, you know, just along the little bit there. They're so cute. They have like snow in them, but you also like wouldn't really notice that as well outside. But it's really long, so Con said we can do it down like one side of the garden afterwards and use it like keep them like over the summer and stuff because they're really handy being solar powered. But yeah, I think I might be able to put these up front because there was really cute pics on the Amazon, so I will pick to show you my inspo. I don't know if you will, but I'm sure you will, hope you will. So yeah, I don't know what I did, but he's good to me. Con was upstairs doing parent teacher meetings over Zoom, and I'm just gonna get dinner prepared now and then take Bobby for a walk so that I can just cook it when I'm back. There's not really much to do, but I just want to show you guys what I'm making because I'm really excited for it. The absolute state of me. I haven't even had a shower or anything yet, so I'm hoping to have time for a shower and stuff before dinner. I'm also vlogging on my phone because my SD card is in my laptop because it's exporting the video at the moment. And I don't know where my spare one is. I've no idea. It's probably upstairs in the room where Con is. But yeah, I'm making this really nice pasta. I haven't actually tried this sauce. It's from Tesco, but I've tried the Aldi version. It was so nice. So I thought I'd try the Tesco one. So this is the sauce. It's tomato mascarpone, and half a pot is 161 calories, which we'll probably just split this. I'm currently making these, oh ew, I just touched that, turkey burgers into like little meatballs, and then I'll cook them in the air fryer while I'm cooking the pasta and stuff. So I got this pasta. I've never actually bought it before, but I think they go like really big when you cook them. Could be wrong, but anyway, got them in Tesco. I also got garlic bread to go with, but probably will only have a little bit. Oh, a quarter of it is 136 calories. It's not that bad. But yeah, I'll put some of this on, and then I'm gonna put some veg in it, some onion, peppers, and tomatoes. That's it, really. And then probably sprinkle a bit of mozzarella on top. So I'll show you when it's ready. But it's a nice little cozy dinner, you know. And Con's working until pretty late tonight, so I want him to have something exciting. Hello guys, it is now Friday and the late night toy show is on tonight, so I'm gonna bake some cookies. Cannot wait. I just got Tesco mix. I can't remember if this is the one I got when I made that cookie cake or not. Such a bad memory, it's actually ridiculous, but this is what I got. I also got some extra chocolate chips, or well, they're actually chunks, which is even better. They also have chocolate chips, but chunks are much nicer. They're definitely what they have in like the big M&S cookies and stuff. Gorge, they look like scones because I put some raising flour in, but I'm sure they'll be delicious.